Is dunya mein God exist or not? It's a very big myth. Hundreds of debates goes day by day. But beyond that, there is one other biggest myth, which is GST. Some people say after the GST introduction, I completely lost my business. But some people say GST is nothing but good and simple tax system. But today we are not going to see about that. Today what we are going to see is the basic things that every entrepreneur should know about GST. That means what is GST, how to register GST, and what is GST return. So these are the topics that we are going to cover today. And one more thing, if you are into business or if you are about to start a new business, we have a PDF document for you which consists of information like list of mandatory registrations and licenses, what are the documents required and how to register it. And if you want that PDF document, we have given a link in the description. You can click onto that link and you can download the PDF document. This is Arif, your business lawyer from Law Intelligensia. First, let's see what is GST. GST stands for Goods and Service Tax, which was introduced on 1st July 2017. The purpose of introducing GST is to replace many indirect tax systems like sales tax, service tax, entertainment tax, and many other indirect tax systems. GST levied on supply of certain goods and services in India. It is one tax system which is applicable all over India. But here you may ask, is it compulsory for every business owner to get into GST regime? No, it is not that all the business owners should obtain GST. But the following entities and individuals should compulsorily register under GST. Number one, if you are a service provider and if your annual turnover goes beyond 20 lakhs, or if you are a manufacturer or a trader and your turnover goes beyond 40 lakhs, you should compulsorily get GST registration. Or else if you are into e-commerce business, that is if you are selling your goods through online portals like Amazon and Flipkart, you should compulsorily enter into GST regime. Number three, if you are supplying goods from one state to other state, then compulsorily you are falling under GST regime. Now we'll see what are the documents that are required for GST registration. If you are a proprietorship firm, you need to submit the Aadhaar card, PAN card and passport size photo of the proprietor and proof of business. Proof of business in the sense rental agreement of that business premises and the EB receipt. So these are the documents that need to be submitted if you are a proprietorship firm. Number two, if you are a partnership firm, you need to submit the partnership deed as well as the PAN card of that partnership firm. Along with that, you need to provide the KYC of partners. That includes Aadhaar card, PAN card and passport size photo of the partners. Along with that, you need to submit the business proof, that is business address proof. That includes rental agreement and electricity bill. And number three, if your entity is a private limited company or an LLP, you need to submit the incorporation certificate as well as a PAN card. Apart from that, you need to submit the KYC documents of all the directors. That includes Aadhaar card, PAN card and passport size photo of all the directors. Along with that, you need to submit the proof of existence of your business. That is the rental agreement and electricity bill of your office premises. So these are the set of documents you need to submit for GST registration. Okay, now we have come to the most important part of this video, how to register GST. There are 4 simple steps for registering under GST. Step 1, log into GST portal and submit the basic details like your company's PAN and your company's legal name. By submitting these informations, you can generate something called as TRN number, which is a temporary reference number. Step 2, log in using this TRN number and submit the informations like business details, owner details, business activity list, and along with that, you also need to submit the documents which I have already stated earlier. Step 3, Aadhaar authentication. By clicking the Aadhaar authentication tab and selecting option yes, the authentication link shall be sent to the registered mobile number and registered email ID as mentioned in the application form. By submitting the authentication rightly, you will get ARN number. Step 4. Once the GST officer verifies all the details in GST form are right, he will issue you the registration certificate. So by this you can obtain the GST registration number. My dear entrepreneurs, in this video we have seen what is GST, how to register GST and the entire details about GST registration. And this is Arif from Law Intelligensia. To know more about business and registration, kindly subscribe to our channel. Thank you.